We love working with KHM. It's always nice to work with people that are just super nice people and respectful and professional and trying to drive the business forward and do it in a way that you want to get on board with them, and KHM ticks all those boxes.
Crystal Conference and Awards, the way I feel about them, it's like a big family reunion.
It's really like a family, and I feel a part of this family, and it's so genuine when you're here with all of the agents and get to work with them, and of course the KHM team.
It's just a big opportunity to celebrate like a great year in our businesses, and the time that we get to spend with suppliers and our colleagues and our friends. I mean, the people that are part of the KHM family are like really my friends.
I have so many great friends and so many memories already that's priceless to me to be able to reconnect with them and the business development managers that KHM has put us together with. That has helped my business this last year to grow exponentially, and I'm forever grateful. Thank you, KHM.
Thanks to everybody that was involved in this event. Thanks to our suppliers for always being there for us, and our agents, because we wouldn't be doing anything without them. So, thanks.